What's up, everyone? It's Thursday, August 19th, 2021, and it's 91 Fahrenheit, 33 Celsius. The time is 12:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. And I am here with
J&K stay in Vegas, Jeff and Christina. Christina's doing the food and gift thing, but here with ActionKid exploring the Hoover Dam.
the Hoover Dam, work of the Great Depression and the source of many of the power in the area as well as the water supply.
Absolutely. Yeah, officially opened in 1936. It was built between 1931 and 1936, and Franklin D. Roosevelt commemorated it in 1935.
All right. We have a monument over here along with different sculptures. Really incredible. Now the Hoover Dam, it spans two different states, Nevada and Arizona.
Sure is, yep.
And these are the 7 states that the Colorado River feeds. New Mexico, Wyoming, Colorado, of course, California, Utah, Arizona, and Nevada. And over here we have the entire zodiac, all the different signs. Here's Taurus, Aries, Pisces. The Hoover Dam has so much Art Deco in it, you could really tell that it was built in a time when a lot of this architecture was in style. Like here, even the handrail.
Mm-hmm.
Civil engineering landmark. Look at it, there's even like hiking trails here and biking access.
Maybe do that when it's not so hot out.
Yeah, exactly. Right now it's way too hot.
Yeah.
And Dr. Elwood Mead, that's where the namesake of Lake Mead comes from. All right, so let's walk across this dam. Over there is the bypass bridge. It carries car traffic and people. You could actually walk, I think, part of it.
Yeah, you can walk. Yeah, you can. Obviously, you've got the Nevada side over there, and you got the Arizona side over there.
Over here, I think, is the visitor center.
Yeah, they actually have some guided tours ranging from $10 to $30, depending on how immersive you want it.
Okay. Here you see Lake Mead. Right now, there is a federal emergency water shortage. It was declared only a few days ago. And you can even see the bathtub ring of Lake Mead.
Yeah, that's a good term.
And there's the Hoover Dam Spillway House. Back when this dam was created, the water levels were a lot higher. And in 1983, there was actually so much water that they had to open the spillway over there to let some of the water out. But that was the only time it was ever used. Here we have, I guess, one of the power turbines.
Yeah. And it has that unique feature showing you Nevada time.
Yep. Which is true right now. But there's a little bit of a discrepancy because you have Nevada time over here, and then on the other side, you have the other tower that says Arizona time. And these clocks, they show they're 1 hour apart. But because of Arizona's laws, they don't observe daylight savings time, except for like some small sections in the northwest part of the state. So currently it is the same time, even though the clocks show different, which is kind of weird because we're on Pacific Daylight Time. When we cross over the other side, it'll be Mountain Standard Time all the time. And it won't be until November when the clocks will be an hour apart. Here's a great view of the turbines as well as Lake Mead. Absolutely epic views from up here. Take a look at that elevator. That's incredible.
Yeah, you can see a lot of the Art Deco all throughout the Hoover Dam.
Even these the towers there.
Mm-hmm.
Really imprinted into the towers themselves. Wonder where you get ice cream here.
What's that?
I wonder where you get ice cream here.
Yeah, there is a food and gift store, a couple of stores over on the other side that you can get some bottled water and a lot of different Hoover Dam concessions and things like that.
Oh, cool.
But they also have vending machines with water all over the place too.
All right, we're crossing over into Arizona now. National Civil Engineering Wonder of the United States plaque. So we're in Arizona.
It's just that easy.
This is a great place to be like waiting.
Now let's cross over to the Colorado River side of the dam, right here. To see this is something else. It's really an engineering marvel.
A fully functioning power plant.
There's the Colorado River. It looks very low as well. I heard that parts of this area are so low they can't even launch the boats.
Yeah, yeah. Over on the Lake Mead side, that is
Yeah.
definitely true.
And then here's the side of the dam itself. It's a long way down.
I think it was said it was about 726 feet, somewhere around there, high.
Okay, wow. Here's some more Art Deco. Shiny mirror. United States of America, Department of Interior, Boulder Canyon Project. I forgot to even mention that this was created under the administration of Franklin Delano Roosevelt. And this was originally called the Boulder Dam, but it was renamed the Hoover Dam during the President Hoover administration. Named in honor of Herbert Clark Hoover, 31st President of the United States. And there we see Arizona time, which is technically incorrect. Maybe when the dam was created that was true, but because now they don't observe daylight savings time, it's the same time. Some Hoover Dam water. Tastes great to me. It doesn't really taste as hard as I thought.
Yeah.
It's clear. They must purify it a little bit.
Yeah, we have a little bit of hard water here in Vegas, that's for sure.
Here's the other water turbine. I don't even think the water levels are high enough to do power generation.
It only has that first static.
And look at all these power structures right on the side of this mountain here. Or cliff, I should say.
Yeah, delivering power all across the Southwest here. Especially how these lean off the side.
I know. That's
Crazy.
some serious engineering.
Right?
There's another good vantage point right where that parking lot is over there. We'll get to see more of Lake Mead from there.
From Arizona.
Yeah, from Arizona. There's a great shot right here. And we're coming up very soon on the spillway, which was only used in 1983. Much of this water is sourced from the snowpack, the melting snowpack, and it feeds the Colorado River. But because there hasn't been enough rain and snow, the levels of the water just keep getting lower and lower. It's pretty alarming. Actually takes longer than I thought to walk across the Hoover Dam. At least 10-15 minutes.
Yeah.
And there's like no shade, so
Yeah.
just keep that in mind if you ever want to come here.
And today's a cool day. It's only
Yeah.
93.
That's true.
We'll put cool in quotes.
Yep. Oh, and also a hack if you want to come here. If you park your car, it is free to park on the Arizona side. And if you park on the Nevada side, it's $10.
Yeah, so if you're coming from Vegas and you see the first parking structure, don't stop at that one. Come all the way over here to the Arizona side, and it's free parking.
Yeah. Great tip. Here's the historic spillway, which has never been used except for only one time.
Well, I mean, Detroit's $8.
Yeah.
We should see some information about it soon. The only time the spillway has been needed was in 1983. Most of the water that enters Lake Mead is snowmelt from the mountains of Colorado, Utah, and Wyoming. Some good information. Look at that, huh? The difference between 1983, when it was completely full, and 2014. And look at it now. This is alarming.
Hard to believe there was actually water spilling over.
Yeah. Each of the two spillways at Hoover Dam can handle the flow of the Niagara Falls. Wow. And now there's no water spilling over at all. Hoover Dam parking, $10 over here.
Yeah, but if you keep walking up, there are free spaces up there.
Just a little bit more.
Yep. Handicapped disabled people can park down here for free. Just keep that in mind.
Yeah.
No.
There it is.
And look at this,
Spillway.
AK, all the way down there. Look at that.
Wow.
Just cavernous.
Huge.
Assuming that goes on to the other side of the Colorado side for when the spillway was actually active.
Yeah.
It's massive.
Huge. I want to imagine what this was like before the Hoover Dam was constructed. It was just one long river.
Yeah, and well, they had to dynamite a lot of this out of here just to create the dam.
Yeah. It's a massive feat of engineering.
That's what I said. You'd be down to the bone by the time you reach bottom.
Up there's the sign for Arizona up there. But I would recommend coming here if you're staying in Las Vegas and you have some extra time to come out here. It's only about 45 minutes, maybe if even, to drive out here. And you get to see some awesome sights. Just the drive here alone was amazing. We got to see nice rock formations, nice twists and turns. It was something else.
And a tip on your way back, don't take the I-11. That routes you around Boulder City. Go take a trip into Boulder City with a whole bunch of mom and pop restaurants, a lot of cool things. You definitely want to stop by Boulder City on your way back to Vegas.
Yep, and that's what we're gonna do. Wow, look at this shot of the spillway. And the view from the other side, the northern side. There's plenty of parking over here. This is the paid section. Oh shoot! His hat just blew off over the side.
Oh no.
Oh no. So don't bring hats here, it's windy.
Or hold on to your hats and glasses.
Yeah. Oh, he's gonna get it. All right, good. All right, at least it didn't fall into Lake Mead. Wow. I think we can walk up there and then end the video.
Sounds good.
Yeah. That seems to be a great overlook spot there. I don't think many people come over to this side.
Yeah, you get trapped over there at the tourist center and everything else, so
Yeah.
definitely some good unique vantage points from this side.
I think this side is better, to be honest. You
Definitely
to
get
see
a more overall view.
Yeah.
The good thing is if you had a big meal, you can work it all off.
Oh yeah.
Get your exercise in, that's for sure.
All right, let's check out this view.
keep moving real quick?
Seems to be a lot more tourists here than I thought now.
Кондиционер вас подождем. Без людей? Или с людьми? Так, люди ж там стоят. Осторожно.
Я сама видела, как он. Yeah, you don't drop your phone.
Прикольно, это мы уже в Аризоне.
And we gotta see the northern side of Lake Mead. This is the largest reservoir in the western United States. Okay. Here we are, folks. Lake Mead. And that was an incredible experience walking over the Hoover Dam between Nevada and Arizona over the Colorado River.
Yep.
And I want to thank Jeff from J&K for joining me.
Absolutely. J&K Stay in Vegas. Thank you, ActionKid, for having me along.
Oh, you're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Let's end this video.
Sounds good.
All right, folks, smash the like button, subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.
Bye-bye.